there are many relationships that are failing. You know, it's a very common problem. ब्रेकअप्स बहुत होते हैं, दोस्तियाँ बहुत टूटती है, बिजनेस वेंचर्स में को-फाउंडर्स के बीच में जमता नहीं है, सेपरेशंस आ जाते हैं. तो एक रिलेशनशिप्स जो ब्रेक हो रहे हैं, ये एक पैटर्न थोड़ा सा बढ़ रहा है. तो ये आखिर क्यों हो रहा है, और आपको अगर ऐसे केसेस आ रहे हैं तो उसके पीछे मेजर रीजंस क्या होते हैं? एक या दो सबसे प्रोमिनेंट रीजंस कि रिलेशनशिप्स ब्रेक हो रहे हैं.
एक बड़ी चीज है कम्युनिकेशन. हम हमेशा अज्यूम करते हैं कि उसको पता है, उसको पता होना चाहिए.
We take it for granted. Like
we take it for
we
granted.
Assume.
Yeah, that you know, that's my spouse. How does he not know, or how does she not know?
Right.
They should know. They don't.
Right.
Please stop assuming. Start talking. This is a big break that I have seen that a lot of people face. Right. What also happens is that partners then start evolving and living different lives.
Okay.
एक यहाँ पे, एक यहाँ पे है, एक यहाँ पे, एक यहाँ पे.
So they don't grow together.
Okay, they are not growing together. They are not being able to keep up with each other because you're not communicating. If you don't communicate, right? Jordan Peterson has done a lot of work on this, and on an average, he has said that whoever it is, especially like in intimate relationships, 90 minutes a week.
Okay.
90 minutes a week. You spend time with your person, whoever your human is, you spend time with them, connect with them, talk to them.
That's a minimum requirement.
That's a minimum requirement. 90 minutes. Think about it. It's like 15 minutes a day. You can take out 15 minutes,
exactly.
put your
Nobody's
phone down and nobody's that
Even
busy.
Modi ji can take out 15 minutes.
So, and literally, I was watching some stand-up comedy and somebody said, you know, if people really said they were as busy as they are and they actually worked that much, there would be a bridge between Earth and Mars. Which is so
and
true.
Then you have a lot of data and statistics that 75% of the time spent in working is actually like work never happens in that time. It's idle.
People can be productive for like in an 8-hour day, they'll be productive for like 4-5 days, sure.
Yeah.
I mean, those who are driven, they will say, no, मैं 8 घंटा काम करता हूँ, but
you're
I mean,
productive just like 3-4 hours.
What is the point if you're going to get burnt out at the end of the day and not enjoy your own money, right? Like burnout is on such a rise because of the hustle culture and nobody is taking account of it, or they just don't want to acknowledge that there's something like burnout.
Right.
So
right.
It's a very real thing. And the other one I feel is resilience. Just resilience in a relationship together. Like what makes a unit last is, yes, number one is communication, right? But how you take hits as a unit.
Right.
Today, we have to face a lot of things in this world alone and together.
Right.
If two people are married, something happens to one, the other one does get affected. Now, are they going to last? Are they going to leave? There's truth. There are different truths.
So the wanting to be together at the same time withstanding the challenges.
Yeah. I mean, you know, there are a lot of people who are like, why should anyone stay in a miserable relationship? That's a different perspective altogether.
Yeah.
Our parents come from a generation where they never spoke about breaking anything.
Exactly. They're like, काम चला लो, work करा लो, workout करा लो, workout कराएंगे.
So maybe that is good in one, you know, angle. But there is also a very different angle that why should you stay if you are miserable?
Right. So these are two extremes.
These are two extremes. They are different truths.
बीच में is the what you should do.
Yeah.
Like थोड़ा flexible और malleable होना भी बहुत जरूरी है.
It's important. Like you cannot say like,
मैं तो ऐसा ही हूँ.
हाँ, मैं तो ऐसा ही हूँ.
मैं तो मेरी favorite हूँ.
This is where I was getting at, that मैं तो ऐसा ही हूँ and this is how I am and accept me. And I think that really stops a person from progressing and growing as an individual person.
From evolving
right? Like if I say this is it, sure, maybe it is, but maybe it's not. Have you tried it differently? If you are discarding it, is it because you've tried it? I've seen a lot of people discard a lot of things and a lot of attempts and efforts because they just don't want to.
Right.
Without any backing or reason. Like would you like to consider being a little flexible here? No. Why? Because this is how I am. That's the death of communication and a relationship.
Right. So communication कह सकते हैं, और एक resilience मतलब कि साथ में रहना है और जो hardships आ रहे हैं उसको withstand करना है, flexible बनना है.
Yeah, resilience is what? Human resilience is what? It's your ability to bounce back.
Right.
It's your ability to bounce back.
And can we say adjust and be flexible?
Yeah, I mean, along with resilience, you will have to figure out how you are
flexibility
going to do
is ultimate resilience.
Like flexibility is a part of resilience, right?
Yeah.
Like if you've decided that you're going to withstand something, right? How are you going to do it? It's going to require you to adjust and reassess yourself and your morals and your ethics and everything.
Right. वो कहते हैं ना कि बाढ़ या फिर तूफान में वही पेड़ सबसे पहले टूटता है जो लचीला नहीं होता है.
Yeah.
Right. And there is a reason why airplanes, the wings of the airplanes are also flexible. Like they move. Right. So at the end of the day,
there's got to be some give somewhere.
Exactly.
And you need to see, like, no one is saying be irrational about it today.
Right,
you know, if you are a victim of abuse or something like that, please.
Yeah.
You do what's right by you.
Right.
And that's very important.
Or if you are in a toxic relationship.
Definitely. Like we're not, endorsing staying somewhere which is not good for you.
Exactly.
Not for sure. But see
trying to make it work if it's workable.
Yeah.
If it's workable, because आपको वो perfect partner कहीं नहीं मिलने वाला है.
I've never seen anybody.
10 में से 10 box को
I was
एकदम
just
tick
going to
mark.
say that. मैं कभी नहीं देखा है 10 on 10. मतलब हम खुद 10 on 10 नहीं हैं.
Humans are by default.
Exactly. How can you expect 10 on 10 from somebody else when you yourself are not a 10 on 10?
Exactly.
ये तो एक बहुत ही मजेदार पॉडकास्ट का एक छोटा सा क्लिप था. पूरी पिक्चर अगर देखनी है तो लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में. डू चेक इट आउट.